You ever look around and realize most people aren't actually living, they're just working to stay alive? I was one of them. Clocking in, clocking out, trading time for money, energy for survival, and peace for a paycheck. And the worst part, I didn't even hate my job. I just hated what it was doing to me. The constant pressure, the emails at night, the meetings that didn't matter. And that moment every 2 weeks when that paycheck hit and vanished just as fast. It's a strange kind of prison, one that's built with comfort and fear. Because the moment you start dreaming about more, everyone around you starts saying, be realistic, be grateful, stick to what you know. But deep down, I knew something was way off. I wasn't lazy, I wasn't ungrateful, I was just tired of living someone else's version of success. Then in 2021, my company cut my pay in half. No warning, just an email. And that was the day I realized security isn't real when someone else controls your income. I spent months searching for answers, years even. I tried affiliate programs, e-commerce, freelancing, crypto, you name it. Nothing worked for me. I spent more money than I made until I found something that actually changed everything for me. Not a get rich quick scheme, not some secret hack, but a real system, one that's built for everyday people like me and you. A system that uses automation and digital marketing to build income without chasing people or paying for ads. And when I say system, I mean something that works even when you're not. Because right now, while I'm recording this, my automations are following up with people, sending value, answering questions, and closing sales, all while I'm here doing what I love. The first time I woke up to a $1,400 day, I sat there in disbelief, not because of the number, but because I didn't have to sacrifice my peace or time to earn it. That's when it hit me. I wasn't just building an online business, I was building freedom, one sale at a time. Before this, I used to sell a product that paid me about $14 per sale. It was a green drink. $14. If I wanted to make $1,400 in a day with that, I would need like 100 customers. Now, one sale does that for me. Why? Because this model gives you 100% and 10 income streams, 100% profit, all inside the digital education space, one of the fastest growing industries in the world. And the beauty of it, you don't have to create the product. You don't have to handle fulfillment. You don't have to be a tech wizard or have a following. It's all done for you. You simply plug into the system, personalize your platform, and learn how to market using the same proven strategies that helped me go from overworked and underpaid to building peace and profit from my phone. Now, here's what most people get wrong. They try to make money online by chasing trends, not systems. But a system is what gives you freedom. Think of it like this. If your income depends on you working every day, that's not freedom. That's self-employment with basically better lighting. True freedom is when your income continues even when you're resting or sleeping. That's what automation does. It doesn't just make you money, it gives you time. And that's the real currency of life. When I found this system, I learned how to build a business that runs on a 2-hour workday. That's it, 2 focused hours. Create content, go live on social media, post free ads. Let the automation handle the follow-up and live your life. No paid ads, no cold DMs, no bugging friends or family. Just a clear strategy, done for you tools, and mentorship from people who've already done it. When I started seeing results, not because I'm special, but because the blueprint actually works. And when I say works, I mean it gives people from all walks of life a realistic path to earn extra income online and eventually replace the 9-to-5 life entirely. You see, this isn't just about making money, it's about meaning. It's about buying back your time so you can actually live your life, travel, create, spend time with people you love, and finally breathe again. Because that's what money really is. It's a tool to buy time, peace, and options. I remember one night sitting in my car, exhausted after work, staring at the steering wheel and asking myself, is this it? Is this what I'm going to be doing for the next 30 years of my life? That question haunted me because deep down, I already knew the answer. Unless I changed something in my life, nothing would change. So I made a decision. I stopped wishing for a better life and I started building one. And that's exactly what I help other people do now. Build digital businesses that pay daily, keep 100% profit, and run on automation. People always ask me, Dan, what exactly do you do? Here's the simplest way that I can explain it. I resell proven digital education programs, with master resale rights, meaning I earn 100% profit from each sale. I don't handle products, I don't create products, I don't handle shipping, and I don't chase customers. I use my phone, Wi-Fi, and a blueprint that does the heavy lifting for me. And the best part is the community that's behind it. Because when you join, you're not doing this alone. You plug into live mentorship from 6 and 7 figure earners who teach you exactly how to launch your business, get your first sale, and scale from there. You're in business for yourself, but never by yourself. Look, I know what it's like to doubt yourself, to scroll past opportunities thinking this won't work for me, because I've been there. I used to think that too, until I actually started this. The truth is, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to get started. You need to start. Because the gap between where you are and where you want to be is action. So once you take that first step, everything changes, right? God helps those who help themselves. Now, here's my quick disclaimer because you deserve the truth. Results aren't typical with this business or any business, right? They depend on your effort, your mindset, and consistency. But then again, typical people are the one who stay broke and unfulfilled. So don't be typical. If you're still watching this, something inside of you knows you're meant for more. You're not just more money, which of course is important, but more time, more freedom, more peace, more life. And that's why I made the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's the free guide that shows you exactly how this business works, step by step. You'll see how people are creating $1,400 days, 10 income streams, and total time freedom with just a phone and Wi-Fi. It's not magic, it's marketing, simplified, systemized, and automated. So if you've ever felt like life's been pulling you in 1,000 different directions and you're ready to take it back, this is your moment. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for someday because you know deep down that someday isn't coming.